Hi y'all, I'm Allison. Welcome to the Mighty Bujo. Today we're going to take this weekly layout and change it up once again to get something new. So yes, we are continuing on with my March layouts, even though it's April. I got behind with the project. Now this time, instead of having everything drawn out, I thought I would do one of the watches for y'all. So it's a very basic, simple watch. And here is a mantle clock that I am trying to freeform. Takes a couple of times to get the arch right, but finally I got it. And then I made a goof with the black. Yeah, welcome to the Mighty Bujo. It's just mistake recovery. I feel like that's half of what my videos are. So here I am doing the grid again. Over in the corner. Last week I had accidentally counted too many or drawn too many boxes and just used my extra one for notes. This time I was extra careful and only did 7 boxes. And then I goofed with my pen right there, but we'll fix it with the white gel pen. Now here I did erase the lines first, and that's because this Tombow isn't such a light color. Those pencil lines would have bled through and been visible if I hadn't erased it. More often than not, whenever I'm sketching something, it's to see if it's going to fit and if it's going to be aesthetically pleasing. I just kind of ignore the pencil lines and just do it. But not always. There I used a little cap for a small water bottle to get my perfect circle, because I knew there was no way I would be able to draw one. Oh, there's a little cap, and the first time I used the pencil to make sure it was going to be the right size circle to go with the band. This one's just moving right along. Okay, I mentioned in my last video that I had given up this monthly mini challenge because of health concerns. I had braces put on at the end of February, and I have periodontal disease, so my gums were not happy. It was pretty bad, and I tend to breathe through my mouth. So with my walks, I was getting my 10,000 steps a day plus. I was going out for a walk every day for an hour. And the bulk of those walks, I was speed walking. So, yeah, got some pretty good cardio going, and obviously started breathing through my mouth more, which was irritating my gums more. Eventually, I just had to put that aside and wait and let my mouth adjust to having the braces. So I do intend to go back and repeat this challenge later on, probably this month. I haven't picked one for April yet because once again I'm behind. So anyway, it wasn't a major health concern, but it was definitely making life very difficult. And now that my mouth has finally adjusted, things are back to normal. Anyway, so there is, wow, that flew by. Here we go. This is the last video I have ready. I am going to hopefully set up my April cover page today, and I do hope to get a video or at least a little something up about my project that I had going on to show y'all what got me so distracted and behind. And just as a reminder, here was how it looked last week, where I miscounted my boxes, and here's everything more evenly spaced out. So I think it's really cute. The clocks are fun. I will, I guess, call it here, and I hope y'all enjoyed this. I will probably go back and do one more week for March just because the clocks are so much fun. But definitely keep an eye out for my April setup, and I'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.